If you're looking for the best dashcam to protect your vehicle in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you want crystal clear 4K video, reliable night vision, GPS tracking, or complete 360-degree coverage, today's list has something for every driver. We've researched the top 5 best dashcams available on Amazon based on video quality, features, reliability, and overall value. Be sure to stay until the end to find out which one offers the best combination of performance and price. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. REDTIGER F7NP 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. Taking the top spot is the REDTIGER F7NP, one of Amazon's best-selling dashcams for 2026. The REDTIGER delivers outstanding 4K front recording paired with full HD rear camera using Sony STARVIS 2 technology. It features built-in GPS, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second, wide dynamic range for better lighting balance, 170-degree viewing angle, and reliable 24-hour parking monitoring. Best of all, it includes a free memory card, making it an incredible value. Pros: excellent 4K recording quality, Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, fast Wi-Fi transfer, built-in GPS, wide 170-degree viewing angle, reliable parking monitoring, free memory card included. Great overall value. Cons: rear camera is full HD instead of 4K. Parking mode may require a hardwire kit. For most drivers, the REDTIGER F7NP delivers the best balance of video quality, features, reliability, and price, making it our top recommendation for 2026. Number 2. 70mm 4K Front and Rear Dashcam. The 70mm continues to impress with premium technology, combining 4K recording with smart AI-powered safety features. This model offers beautiful 4K front recording and full HD rear recording using advanced Sony STARVIS 2 sensors. Features like Wi-Fi 6, built-in 4G LTE remote access, voice control, ADAS driver assistance, AI motion detection, HDR Night Vision, and GPS make it one of the smartest dashcams available today. Pros: outstanding 4K video quality, STARVIS 2 image sensor, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, 4G remote monitoring, voice control, ADAS safety features, excellent HDR night vision. Cons: LTE features may require additional subscription. Premium pricing. If you love smart features and remote monitoring, this is an outstanding investment. Number 3. 4-channel 360 dashcam front, rear, inside, and left-right. This dashcam delivers outstanding coverage at an attractive price. It records in 4K from the front and Full HD from the remaining 3 cameras. 8 infrared LEDs provide clear cabin recording at night, making it ideal for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers. The included 64GB memory card means it's ready to use right out of the box. Pros: complete 360 monitoring, excellent infrared night vision, includes 64GB SD card, app control with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, reliable parking mode. Cons: slightly bulkier installation, mobile app could be improved. Overall, it's one of the best multi-camera dashcams for everyday driving. Number 4. 4K plus 2.5K plus 2.5K STARVIS 2 3-channel dashcam. This 3-channel dashcam combines Sony STARVIS 2 image sensors with HDR technology to deliver sharp footage both day and night. The combination of a 4K front camera and dual 2.5K cameras produces outstanding image quality. HDR helps reduce glare during bright daylight and improves visibility at night. Built-in GPS, loop recording, parking monitoring, and a free 64GB memory card make this package highly attractive. Pros: excellent STARVIS 2 sensor, sharp 4K plus dual 2.5K recording, HDR night performance, GPS included, free 64GB card, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Cons: 3 cameras instead of 4, premium pricing. This is an excellent choice for rideshare drivers looking for premium image quality. Number 5. 4-channel 360 dashcam front, rear, and left-right inside. This dashcam is designed for drivers who want complete coverage around their vehicle. It records in stunning 4K from the front while capturing 3 additional full HD camera angles, making it an excellent choice for rideshare drivers, taxis, and families. With 4 cameras recording simultaneously, you'll never miss what's happening around your vehicle. The built-in GPS tracks your driving routes, while the fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows quick video downloads directly to your smartphone. The included 128 GB memory card means you can start recording immediately without buying extra storage. Pros: true 4-channel recording, 4K front camera, includes free 128 GB SD card, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS and voice control, excellent parking surveillance. Cons: larger installation due to 4 cameras, slightly higher power consumption. Overall, it's an excellent option for drivers who need maximum vehicle coverage. Those are our picks for the top 5 best dashcams on Amazon in 2026. Whether you're looking for complete 360-degree surveillance, advanced AI safety features, or the best overall value, there's a dashcam on this list that fits your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest top 5 reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.